Today we will be going over internal controls. The purpose of internal controls. Internal controls is a system made up by management that limits the amount of fraud that can happen. While fraud will never be completely stopped, it can be limited. SOX requires that public companies have internal controls in place. However, most private companies also choose to have them. There are many types of internal controls, but one of the most important is separation of duties. Separation of duties. There are three key duties to be separated. One would be asset handling, two would be record keeping, and three would be transaction approval. The goal is to not have the same person doing two or all of these duties. That would allow a person to commit fraud. Basically, you don't want the same person that records a transaction to also receive the money and then also approve, because this would allow them too much power. They have the power to, one, keep the money and record it as already received, and then walk away with it. It gives one person too much power. A control on this would be bank reconciliations. As cash is the easiest asset to steal in a company, there is much fraud that revolves around it. Cash is involved in many transactions, making it easy for employees to manipulate the system and steal. Therefore, we create a bank reconciliation periodically. It's usually done monthly, but up to the company's discretion. In a bank reconciliation, we match and compare what the bank says we have in our account to what our records say. We compare the differences to make sure they're explained and that the two amounts will eventually add up. It's just timing errors. Bank Recs Part 2. Bank reconciliations are considered a type of internal control because if an employee is stealing, this will catch them. If there is a discrepancy between the bank and the book amount that cannot be explained, the company will know who to go to. It allows us to track transactions and the personnel doing it. I hope you found this video really helpful. The concepts and information presented in these videos will be true no matter what accounting class you are taking. However, the concepts presented in this video are referencing material currently covered in Baylor University's coursework. Remember, if you are a currently enrolled Baylor student, we offer free tutoring services. Our tutoring center is located on the first floor of the Sid Richardson building. You will find all the details you need to know about these services on our website, www.baylor.edu/tutoring. You may schedule a free 30-minute one-on-one tutoring session online, or just drop in during any of our open business hours. For more information about our current services, please visit our website. Thank you.